Well, Gurmaid.
She de
Thank you for coming to the Isle of Man, even in such a bad, terrible weather. A few thank yous, but you've had a good time with loads, so thank you very much. Gurmaid mooar.
It's been a complete honour to be here to share not just the Irish experience, but to get to know your community and the vision that you have to promote Manx. And through the education system in the Bunskull, it's been just so invigorating and so refreshing to meet with your community, to talk about the issues and the opportunities and the challenges that you face constantly, but also how inventive and how creative you are as a community to get past the struggles and what you've achieved in such a short period of time. It's staggering to take in one visit.
Yeah, well, Gurmaid, and hopefully this is the start of hopefully this will be the start of a relationship, some links between Limerick, the work you do in the Bunskull, chiaghtyn, etc. So this is the start of something, I hope.
Absolutely. Where I work in Mary Immaculate College in Limerick, teacher education is core. So it would be amazing if we had some joint initiative, particularly looking at professional development of Manx medium and Irish medium schools, looking at how we could work collaboratively and creatively and create a quality context of immersion for learners learning content through Manx or Irish. So I really look forward to future discussions, future celebrations and future opportunities to share both practice and research and to solve problems and search for innovative solutions to dilemmas together.
Great. Well, Gurmaid rish, and we'll himu rishans man. We'll see you again in the Isle of Man for sure.
Chi mihu.
Yindyssagh. Gurmaid.
Yindyssagh.
Yindyssagh.